So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to use Tapmob to make money. So it's a simple thing to do and I'll walk you through this step by step. So you may ask, what is Tapmob.io? Well, it is an invite-only app called Tapmob, as you can see on the screen right here. The creator network where they help content creators earn a full-time income, and basically it's a way to get connected with big brands and advertisers. You can also get paid upwards from $6 per free game or install, or up to $5 per email submit. So I'll explain that later to you on the video. So first off, we install the Tapmob.io application in our devices, and right here you will be shown this interface where you sign up and log in. So the first thing we have to do is actually sign up here in Tapmob, and here we go. So it's going to ask for your first name, your last name, your username, your email, your phone number, and your invite code. The invite code is the most serious part here. Without the invite code, you're not allowed to sign up. So just a friendly reminder, Tapmob only accepts serious people who wants to do this full-time and not just joke around and just make money for fun, but it's gonna be their main source of income, or perhaps full-time income. So to get this code, I will give you one. So the code is gonna be 90495, and that's gonna be our invite code. So just enter this invite code and fill in the description, such as your first name, last name, your username, your email, your phone number, and the invite code. So there you go. So here in Tapmob, it's going to be taking actually around 1 to 2 days before they can verify your account. So once you have signed up for Tapmob, it's not just going to instantly pop up and make you use Tapmob itself, since they're gonna have to verify this. So again, a reminder guys, Tapmob only accepts serious people, and you can only get in if you're really serious, and they'll have to review your account before you get in. So you can also sign up with an invite code like I said a while ago, which is 90495. So here it's gonna be important to know the CPA, or cost per action, and the cost per action, such as them submitting their email, and you're gonna receive $5. So how it works basically is, let's say you wanna advertise Apple Music, and then when they sign up with their email, you'll have a CPA, which is gonna be $5 per email sign up. So such as doing things like copying the link and offer the tabs choose there. Then you have to also select where their location is, because it's also important to know your customer. And it's important to know also that the customer needs to be preferably in the US, or else this won't really work at all. So I'm assuming that this is based in the US, since they really operate there and they only advertise there. So to get more signups, you'll have to have something in between, such as a landing page where you just don't offer the code itself when you copy it and just let them sign up with their email. We don't do it like that. So here's one of the payment histories that it looks like this. So as you can see here, there's going to be an invoice for such things they did, the CPA, like I said, the cost per action, and I'll teach you guys how to do the landing page so that you just don't copy and then send the link to them, then they'll have to sign up. No, we don't do it there. So for our next step, we'll have to do something to use in between, so we don't just send and copy link and send it to our users so that they will sign up for their email. So first we're gonna have to go to getresponse.com, where you'll have to sign up and make a landing page. So right here you can do from quick actions in the tools to create a newsletter or a landing page, and there we go. We just go to landing page. So as we'll wait for it to load, we'll see that this will help users to interact more, where they will read and then they will just sign up for the details, and it's just there. So as you can see here, you can use ready-made templates or use an AI-powered builder. So we'll just use a ready-made template, pre-designed one. So let's just try to find one here. So let's see you're trying to do it for DoorDash or something. So let's see, let's try to find one that fits into DoorDash. There you go. So we use this template, and then we'll see if it will try to fit in. So here you have a lot of options to choose from. So you can preview it right here. As it will load, and there you go. So introduce your idea, share about what you do and how it works when they're gonna sign up. So there you can just press this, and then it will redirect them to the link that you have given them. Then you'll have to introduce your idea. So this is just a template that you can use so that users can be more interactive and more informative with the information that you're giving them, that you're gonna get from Tapmob, from the choices given there. So this is just a landing page tool that helps you promote whatever you're trying to give to their customer, such as the link, so they can sign up for the address, and you will receive $5 for that. And there you go. Now, as you can see here, you can also add your own elements to the landing page that you're gonna make. So here you're gonna have to add your own, perhaps a button or a text, so that it will be more engaging with the customer to sign up their email, so that you will receive that $5 for their email sign up, which is the cost per action that's gonna take, so that you will earn that $5. So perhaps you wanna make it more engaging, so add an image, add a description, add the background towards the element or topic that you're gonna choose. So you just press continue and save and exit, and there you go. So once you have done that, you can't really target a specific audience, and in this case you need to target people that are specifically coming from the US, or else this will all be invalid and it won't count, and you won't get any CPA, and you won't receive your $5. So basically all the things you have to do is actually just sign in here in Propeller Ads, where you can promote your landing page at a specific location, which is the US. And here it will only target the US, and you can choose a specific location that you want to target, and all you have to do is sign in, but you'll have to pay to promote the ads in the specific location. But it's a good return in investment, and you can start the campaign there in the US only, since it's the only place it works, and it's the only place it will work to get your commissions or your cost per action, where you'll receive your $5 for every email that it will be entered, and it will be promoted only in the US itself. So basically that's just how you use the Tapmob.io application, and that's just how you earn money right there. It's pretty simple to do, and thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time.